right time, and you've given all your days while they were waiting on the right time. You went and made your wave. I don't need reasons to live. There's no reason to quit, it's all I know. So once again, I'm gone with the summer. Yeah. Gone with the summer. Yeah, yeah. Once again, I'm gone with the summer.
Alright guys, welcome back. Another episode. We're obviously just heading off Hillary's now. Today I've obviously got the wife on board, Belinda. We're going to head a little bit offshore. But yeah, basically we're just gonna have a bit of fun today and just show that this hobby, this passion isn't just for the male gender. You get obviously a lot of females involved, which is actually happening a lot more and more now, which is really great to see. Kids love it, you know, it's good for everyone's mental well-being to be on the water. As you can see behind me, it's absolutely awesome. Glass off, look at all that. Today's wind, I don't think, is supposed to be no more than 15 k's an hour, so far out. Should be a bloody good day, and I think the total wave height's only like 0.7, 0.8, so should be glass off today. But as we all know, the weather's the weather, it does its own thing. But yeah, we'll see how we go. Let's get into it. At our first spot, we're not really far out. I'm only maybe just a little bit further than 3 Mile Reef off Hillary's. This is actually quite a good spot for us, which we've cleaned up before, but not really, no pressure today. We're just gonna have a bit of fun. I don't know, Belle, what do you reckon we'll catch here?
I say a few skippy, maybe some snapper,
and whatever else comes by, I guess. So yeah, we'll see how we go. The sun's obviously right up, so pinkies might still be around, but you know, skippy will definitely be around. But anyways, we'll see. I'm gonna put Belle on the lighter rod with a paternoster rig. I might put one down. We'll see how we go first, see what's around, and then we'll go from there. So stay tuned. All right, as you can see, I've got a simple paternoster rig, 4-0 hooks there. Very traditional method of fishing. But I'm just going to put probably some muley on, some muley heads. They're probably not defrosted yet. Give it a go. Oh no, I've got some meat here.
that was my steak from last night.
Got some hockey. Yeah, hockey stays on, so we might use that. Alright, here we go. First drop. Yep, let's go, Darwin. Drop it in.
Show you how it's done.
Okay. That's it. Let it go all the way down.
Why does it feel like that?
Because it's just dry. So let it out a bit. So just flick it up. That's it. Until you hit the ground. You'll know when it hits the ground because it won't go anymore. That's it. That's it. All right, she's on. Here we go. Tighten the drag. Tiny bit. That's it. Bring it up. Bring it up.
I've been to the gym for a while.
All right, watch out. Come on. It's a fun fish. What do we got? Let's see. What's she bringing up? We have our first pinky. There you go. Let's get him up here. Step back a bit. There you go. Belle got her first pink snapper
For the day.
There you go, first fish, pink snapper. How good's that? Obviously he's undersized. We'll get him swimming and get him back. There you go, first fish of the day. There you go, darling. First fish.
Put him back.
Put him back.
Find his brothers and sisters.
Let's put him in and let him swim. So put him in the water. Let's swim him for a bit.
waves.
Okay, there we go. Let go. Now hold the string. Hold the string. Hold the string. Alright, let him swim for a bit. So I've just told Belle that as soon as she hits the bottom, she feels a fish, you got to get it up quickly because there's a lot of reef here and you'll get snagged and lose your gear. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Reel, 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 reel. Oh yeah, darling.
God.
First fish. Look at that.
That was what, 5 seconds?
5 seconds and she's on. Oh yes. Let's get that. Tighten, drag tiny bit. All right, let's go. Go, darling. Yes.
Oh, I think it came off.
Nah, look at the bend of it. Get it up. Get it up. That's it.
Under the boat.
That's so you're right. You're right. You're good. Bring him up.
It doesn't feel that big.
Oh, it's all right. We're not going for huge fish. We're just having some fun. Now watch the motor when it comes up. Bring it across that side. There you go. What do we have? So first drop. Literally the first drop said get ready to hold on. Gonna say it's a big skip, but we'll see. That's it. Pump and wind. Down and up.
I've got 2.
Oh, double header. There you go. Tar wine and a skippy. Bring that up. That's it. There you go. Tar wine, a nice skippy and a nice tar. That's a good size. Woo! Jeez. All right, let's get them in.
There we go.
That's it. Skippy. First drop. Bit of fun. You saw that rod bend. How good's that? Don't need to catch the monster fish to have some fun.
No.
All right. Let's let him go.
Bye, little man.
See you, mate. See you, mate. Wait for it. Here it comes. Oh, he's on. That's it. He's on. How's the bend in the rod? It's so light. Oh, he took me in the reef. No, he didn't. Get him up. There, got him up. There we go. Got him. Yes. Light gear, 2 to 4 kilo rod.
Alright, my turn.
Belle's turn. Here we go. This is obviously really light gear, so I'll bring it up nice and slow. That's it, pull. That's it. Get him up. Fish on. Oh, no, got off. It's alright. Put it back. No, put it back down. Line up. Oh, better bring it up, Belle. Bring it up. That's it. Get it up there, Eve. That's it. Bring it up. Oh, Belle's on.
Jason.
Oh, that's it. Nice and slow. That's it. Woo-hoo-hoo. Belle's on. There you go. Get mine up. It's a good sized fish. See, look at all the fun that's to be had. Oh, I got a blackie. Nice. There you go. Little break sea cod. Now they need to be 30. He's pretty small, so I'm going to let him go. But these taste so good. And what's Belle got? Oh, Belle's still going. All right, sort him out in a minute. It's all happening. Oh, Darren's got a big skippy again. Go back. Whoa, look at the size of that. Look at that skippy. Whew.
That's a bit bigger than the other one.
That is a whopper. Nicely done, darling.
Yep.
Yes. All right, we'll sort him out.
Let's go.
Oh, fish on. Oh, that's a decent fish. Fish on.
Fish on.
Oh, go Belle. Bring it up now, bring it up.
Woo.
Oh.
I was trying to go into the boat.
It's alright, bring it to your side. Oh, double hookups. How good is that? God, I love double hookups. I think mine may have gotten off. Oh no, he's still there. He's just a bit dead. Another big skip. Oh, that's a good size. That's a keeper. Yes, there you go.
Dinner.
Double headers. There you go. Skippy and a blackie. Nice. Good job, man.
Black bottom.
Right, I've come across some ground. Never been here before. Looks alright, so I'm just going to drop on it and see what's around. Oh. Yeah, get it up. Get up now. Good fish. Good fish. Good fish. Hang on. Good fish. Oh, good fish. Hang on. Okay, go over here. Do this. Go on my side. Still there? Come over. That's it. Get it up. Oh, Belle, that's a good fish, darling.
Well, doesn't feel like it.
Yeah. Right, Bill's on. Nice and steady. Still on?
Yeah.
Here we go. What do we have? Oh, it's big pink. Yeah. All right. Oh, darling, well done. So I think she is the good luck charm, that's for sure. That might just be size or just under. We'll have a look, but that is a beautiful looking fish. Look at that. Oh, all right. That's it, under there. That's it. Woo, there you go. Another nice pink snapper. Hey,
Thanks for coming.
48 centimetres. There you go. Ew. All right, we'll send him home. Right, Bell's on. Good fish. And I'll use some squid bait at the moment. She's just going to bring it up a bit slower. Hopefully if it's a size fish. If it's not, we can send it back. It's fun, I've just come across this piece of ground, so add that to the mark. So it's good size. I'm going to drop this. There he is. Oh, Julie! Yay! Julia! Nicely done, darling. That might be size too. Good. Hang on. He's hooked him right in the corner. There we go. Nice, Dewey. Oh, darling, well done. That might just be size. All right. Good fish. All right, we'll see how we go. I'll let you have a look in a sec. Nice dew banger. Wow, see, the missus always catching the fish. All right, hold him side on, darling. There you go. Nice Dewey, 49 centimetres, so we'll obviously let him go, live another day. We'll try and get the size one, but yeah, she's catching all the fish today.
Bring the goods.
I reckon we found some whales, so if we do find them, I'll get that footage out. I'll try and get the drone up and see if I can get a bit closer. I was searching for whales, not sure if we're going to get them, but we'll just see how we go, so stay tuned.
The sky crashes into the sea, holding everything in place. What falls apart starts coming back together. Stars burn out and become new. Can't predict what people do, but I'm still holding on to you. I'm still holding on to you. All the days we colored blue, I'd go anywhere with you. And if the world stopped spinning too, I'd be holding on to you. Our time is never the stuff in our minds. I could walk into the night, coming out the other side for better. We chase things that make the light wanna stay, holding everything in place.
that's it for us. We're heading in. We caught what, Dewey, a few pinkies, a blacker / break sea cod, skippy. Obviously had a shitload of fun out there today, and as you can see in the background, it is an absolute glass off. For those who thought the wife was going to catch more fish today, you were right. She caught more fish, and yeah, I couldn't do it. We got some good footage of some whales, as you saw, so I really hope you like that footage, because that rarely happens. But we did obviously come across them, and we came pretty close, which was bloody good. So if you like this video, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and we'll see you next time.
You want it, fall in love, you love it, you can control it, you make me feel something more strong.